Here's a step-by-step guide on how to put together the Novilla metal bed frame. Step 1 is just putting the baseboard and headboard together. This is just 2 screws on each side, so it's very simple to do. Step 2 is to attach the side pieces. I put this on video just to show you how easy it is. They give you an Allen wrench, but you can basically get the screws 80% of the way in with just your hands and finish it off with the wrench. Here's what it looks like when you have the outer base fully put together. Now on to step 3 and 4, which is to attach the inner support beams. This is just 6 screws, so it's simple and quick to get done. Now on to step 5, and the final step is putting in the slats. They come already attached, so you just need to lay them down and secure them. And just like that, your bed frame is fully assembled. They make it as easy and simple as possible. I was able to get this done in well under an hour. If you have 2 people, you could probably get it done in 30 minutes or less. Here's the finished product. You can take a look at it. It's complete and ready to use.